Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you some makeup summer trends that we're gonna see this year. So I'm gonna talk about these to you throughout the video, and I'm gonna demonstrate it on my face, and I'm going to try to create a cute summer look. So let's get right in. So before we begin that, I want to say that this is gonna be my hairstyle today because I got out of the shower some time back and I like my hair to dry naturally, and I'm already having a bad hair day. Okay, so if I try to style it, my hair is going to be pretty irritated, so please don't mind my hairstyle today. So yeah, with that said, let's get started. Okay, so the first trend that we are gonna see in 2021 is to have bright and fun, colorful eyeshadows. I think I read somewhere that yellow, orange, and purple is gonna be the colors of the year. So I'm gonna use a yellow eyeshadow today. So before I can apply yellow eyeshadow, I really need to prime my eyes with concealer because you can see that I have really good dark circles. So I'm gonna go and use my color corrector and concealer to hide my darkness, and then I'll be right back with you. Okay, I know this looks weird, but it's for good, I'm telling you. So for yellow eyeshadow, this is so hard to open. I'm using Makeup Revolution Creative Palette, and I'm going to use this yellow, and this shade is called Trendsetter. It's gonna be the trend this year. I'm just gonna take it on my fingers and just gonna buff it. Okay, so the second trend is to use very thin lining with your eyeliner, like only a flick, like it's not even there, but it is there. So for today's look, I'm gonna use a blue eyeliner because I think it will look really bright and fun with this eye look. So for blue eyeliner, I'm using Lakme Insta eyeliner. Okay, I want to line a little bit in the inner corners, but I will do it at the end of the whole makeup. It will be easier because I have to conceal my eye bags as well. So the next trend is to have really natural feathery brows. Now generally I don't do anything much to my brows. I like them just the way they are. So the trend is basically that you don't have hard defined eyebrows, just very natural brows, and they should look feathery. I am just going to brush up my brows, and I think it looks feathery enough, so I'm just gonna do that. And of course, if you may need to use a brow gel, please, but I'm not going out. And I don't have a brow gel. If I need a brow gel, I usually use aloe vera and just use a mascara wand and then brush it up with that. That's all. Now the next trend is to have a dewy face. Now for dewy base, you actually need a face oil or any good serum that suits your skin type, but I don't happen to have a face serum, so I'm gonna use an oil, and I'm gonna use today olive oil for this tutorial, and I'm gonna use very few drops. So it's like a hack for not having a face oil, and this oil works because it is very light, and people have been using it as a face oil. So I'm gonna take very few drops on my palm, and I'm going to apply this only on the areas where I don't sweat. Okay, like I sweat a lot in this area, so I'm trying to avoid this area. And in case you feel that you have applied too much oil, you can always take your damp sponge and just dab it once. It will soak off some of the product. You know what, I'm just gonna do it off camera because this is basically the same step, and I don't want it to take some time in the video, so I'll be just back. Okay, so we have got the dewy base. Yes, Now I just want to tell you that I really haven't tried it, you know, the longevity of olive oil under your foundation. I really haven't tried, but I think for half an hour it works really good. Like, it doesn't melt your makeup. And if you're an oily skin type, please avoid it because it's so gonna melt your makeup. Just apply some face serum that is just suited to your skin type. So next I'm going to use a setting powder, and I'm not gonna set like a lot of places. I'm just gonna set my forehead because that is the area I sweat a lot, and my under eyes. You can use any powder, or if you have a loose powder, very well. Okay, so the next trend is to use lots and lots of blush. This year the focus is on a very youthful look. Okay, so use very rosy hues for your blush. Okay, so and mostly the cream blushes. I mean, they give the best youthful look in my experience. So I'm gonna use this tinted lip balm for my blush today. Okay, now I'm gonna take some yellow and also brush it under my eyes so that, you know, it looks all put together. Where is my palette? Yeah. Okay, I forgot this, but one of the trends was to have a really metallic or glossy finish on your eyes. Now I don't have any metallic yellow eye shade, so I couldn't use, and I thought to give a metallic, you know, effect on the eye shade, I could use a shimmer, but I also don't have a shimmer that goes with this yellow eye look, so I think I will not be able to demonstrate only that. Okay, so the next trend is to have big, bold lips, glossy lips. Okay, so I'm gonna go and quickly put on my glossy lips using the techniques and all the hacks that I've already covered in one of my videos, recent videos, so you can go and check it out in the eye if you haven't watched that, where I share all the hacks on how to get big, glossy, fuller lips. So I'm just gonna quickly go and do it and then come back to you. Now the last thing that I wanted to add to today's look is that I wanted a flick of eyeliner, blue eyeliner in the corner of my ears? No, eyes. So let me just quickly do that. Okay, so for mascaras, you wanna keep it very light this year. So I'm gonna just, you know, run my mascara like that. I don't even know if I'm saying the correct English. Like very natural. I'm not like layering it up 2 or 3 times, only in the outer ends. And honestly, I feel you need lashes only when you're wearing a black eyeliner, and so it's very difficult to see your eyelashes. Or if you're wearing no eyeliner or a different colored eyeliner, you only need a volumizing mascara to really bring out your lashes. That's what I feel. It's a personal choice. Please do whatever you like to do in your eye makeup. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful to you. I hope you liked this look, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, there will be my account details somewhere in the screen. It's a private account, I know, but if you'd like to follow me, I'll definitely accept your request. So I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye.